Today I am continuing the question and answer of the chapter pressure. In previous class, what I told you, these are the machine which are based on Pascal's law. That's why these are called hydraulic machine which are based on Pascal's law. Hydraulic lift, hydraulic brake, hydraulic jack, hydraulic press. One by one, I want to talk about each of them. First, introduction, and then diagram, and then working principle, how they work. Okay, let's start. What is hydraulic lift? We can answer this way. Hydraulic lift is a device based on Pascal's law which magnifies the force and it is used to lift the vehicles in the hydraulic garages. Okay, now let's have another. Draw a neat diagram of hydraulic lift and level it. The diagram should be line diagram. That's why I made a diagram for this. Look at this is the simple representation of hydraulic lift. Here we have three different vessels. This is a small vessel and it is connected to a big vessel. This is the big vessel, and certainly at the mouth of a small vessel we have a small piston, and at the mouth of big vessel we have big piston. A lever is set to create the pressure in the liquid on the small piston, and a liquid is filled in this device. And another big vessel, this is reservoir. The reservoir and the small piston is separated by means of a valve, and this valve can be named as V1. Small vessel is separated from big vessel by means of another valve that can be named as V2. And B1 and B2 are here valves. Here a narrow pipe is shown which connects the reservoir with the big vessel, and there is a stopper. And if we open this stopper, then liquid flows from big piston to the reservoir. If level of liquid is high in big piston, then certainly it flows towards reservoir. This is diagram only, and different paths is also shown. But how it works? Whenever we have to raise a vehicle that is placed on this platform of big piston and lever is pushed downward, it exerts pressure in the liquid, and this pressure transmits towards all the direction, and in left hand side valve V1 remains closed because it opens only in the right hand side. It is designed in such a way that both the valve opens in right hand side. It is like the door, and because of the pressure valve V1 remains closed but V2 opens and pressure transmits to big piston. Since the area of big piston is very huge in comparison with the small piston, so the same pressure exerts very huge amount of force on big piston, and that huge amount of force is used to lift the vehicle. And we walk on the vehicle from its bottom side, whether we have to change certain parts of the vehicle or we have to wash the vehicle from the bottom side. When work finishes, then we can open the stopper to bring the vehicle down, because at this time liquid moves towards the reservoir. This way a hydraulic lift works. Okay, let's have another question. What is hydraulic jack? Draw a neat diagram and level it. We can define hydraulic jack in the same way how we define the hydraulic lift. Hydraulic jack is an instrument based on Pascal's law which magnifies the force and is mainly used to lift a part of the vehicle to change its wheel. I have drawn a diagram to make you very clear about this hydraulic jack. I think this is very simple diagram to show hydraulic jack. Now what are the parts? Here we have piston here, and this is called pumping piston because it exerts pressure in the liquid. Pumping piston is connected to a lever. When this lever is pushed downward, then it exerts pressure in the liquid, and the same pressure transmits to this lifting piston. Actually, this lifting piston is placed just below the part of the vehicle which has to be raised to change the wheel of the vehicle. This another vessel contains oil, and we can say that it is oil storage. We have oil in it, and here we have two valves. At the lower side one valve, and at the upper side another valve. This can be named as V1 and V2. Okay, V1 and V2 are valves. There is another construction also. Look at this is releasing valve. When we open it, then liquid comes downward and it moves towards valve V2 also and valve V1 also. Because of the pressure, valve V1 remains closed. It can move towards the valve V2. We have to be clear that here two valves are set in such a way that valve V1 open towards left hand side, valve V2 open towards right hand side. Okay, now how it works? Let's talk about its working. When we apply force on the lever, then it exerts pressure on this liquid, and this pressure transmits to the lifting piston, and lifting piston moves upward with very huge amount of force. Since the area of the lifting piston is very huge in comparison with this pumping piston, that's why force magnifies to huge amount, and which will be able to raise the part of the vehicle, and wheel can be changed. And when we change the wheel, then what we do, we'll open the releasing valve, due to which the liquid or the oil which is filled in this big vessel moves downward, and the wheel again comes down to the ground. This way we can change the wheel by using hydraulic jack. Let's have another question. What is hydraulic press? We can define in the same way. Hydraulic press is an instrument based on Pascal's law which magnifies the force and is used to lift heavy loads with less effort, and is also used to compress different substances. There are two major uses of hydraulic press. Either we use it to raise heavy load, or we use it to compress the substances. Okay, if you are told to draw a diagram for it, then you can draw this diagram. I made very simplest diagram to make you very clear. Now let's label it. This is a small cylinder which is connected to a big cylinder here by means of narrow tube. A small cylinder is connected to big cylinder by means of narrow tube, and it is filled with oil. And a small piston is given at the mouth of this small cylinder, and at the mouth of big cylinder there is big piston. A lever is used to create pressure in the liquid, and this pressure transmits to big piston, and this is a rigid support which doesn't move. Now how it works? Let's talk about its working. Whenever we have to press a material, then the material should be placed between the big piston and rigid support, and when lever is pushed downward, it exerts pressure in the oil, and this pressure when reaches to big piston, then the force magnifies to very huge value. This is because of huge area of big piston. Now this big piston compress the material placed between the big piston and rigid support. This way this hydraulic press is used in making cotton bundle, and there are other uses also, but this is one of the very good example that hydraulic press is used in making cotton bundle. Okay, let's have another question. Draw a neat diagram to show hydraulic brake. First we are drawing diagram to show brake. This hydraulic brake is widely used in different vehicles. This is the diagram. I made the simplest diagram to make you very clear about the working principle of this hydraulic brake. Okay, now here a small cylinder is connected to a big cylinder. This is small cylinder and is connected to a big cylinder. Big cylinder has got two different opening. We can say that it is filled with brake oil. A small piston is fitted at the mouth of a small cylinder, and big piston is fitted at the mouth of big cylinder. Here we have two big pistons, and this is brake pedal. When we push the brake pedal, then what happens? It exerts pressure in this brake oil, and according to Pascal's law, same pressure transmits to big piston. Since area of two big piston is very huge, that's why the same pressure produces huge amount of force on the big piston, and because of huge force this brake shoe is pushed forward, then it comes in contact with the rotating wheel, and rotating wheel can be stopped. This way hydraulic brake works. This is the diagram, but if you are told to write about hydraulic brake, what is hydraulic brake? You can say this way: hydraulic brake is an instrument based on Pascal's law which magnifies the force and is used to stop or slow down the moving vehicle. I told you about different hydraulic machine: hydraulic lift, hydraulic brake, hydraulic jack, and hydraulic press. Okay, I want to stop now. We'll meet in another class with another matter. Thank you.